Welcome to Speak English with Laksh Kumar.
The place where you can learn English by listening and speaking.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Laksh Kumar. I am Alex. How are you today, Sarah?
Today, I am feeling hungry and I want to eat at a restaurant.
Me too. I really like restaurants and their delicious meals.
But what if I don't know how to speak English at a restaurant?
Good question. So, today we are going to solve this problem. After listening to this episode, you will be able to speak English at a restaurant without any problem.
Just watch and listen this episode till the end, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Let's start.
Sarah, we're at the restaurant now.
Yes, it looks clean and comfortable.
There are many people inside.
That means the food is probably good.
That's your first thought?
Of course.
Okay, let's go inside. Good evening.
As the waiter. Good evening. How can I help you?
We would like a table for two, please.
As the waiter. Certainly. Right this way, please.
Thank you.
As the waiter. Here is your table.
Thank you very much.
As the waiter. You're welcome. Please, have a seat.
Thanks.
Alex, did you notice the phrase, a table for two?
Yes. It means we need a table for two people.
Exactly.
If you are alone, you can say, a table for one, please.
And if there are four people?
You can say, a table for four, please.
Very easy.
And remember, we would like is a polite way to ask for something.
For example, we would like a table for two.
Or we would like 2 coffees.
Wow, it's great. And remember, saying please makes your request polite.
We should say to a waiter, excuse me, could we have the menu, please?
Or, can I see the menu, please? The waiter will say, here you go, sir. This is our menu.
Oh, there are so many things on the menu.
Yes, everything looks delicious.
But first, can I have something to drink?
Me too. A waiter will ask, what would you like to drink, sir?
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
A waiter will say, how do you like it? Hot or cold?
Cold, please.
And I would like a lemonade, please. Okay, sir, I will be right back with your drinks.
Sarah, I'll be right back is a very useful sentence.
Yes. A waiter can say, I'll be right back when they leave for a short time and will return soon. Here are your drinks, sir. So, have you decided what you would like for starter? Wow, that was quick.
Yes, I would like a tomato soup.
And I want to get green salad. Okay, sir, please wait a moment. Your order to be served.
Starter means a small dish you have before having the main course or the main meal. I see. So tomato soup and green salad can be starters.
Exactly. Here is your tomato soup and green salad, sir.
Ooh, wow, it smells good.
After finishing the starter, we would like to order something for the main course.
Main course means it is the main part of the meal.
What would you like for your main course?
I would like a grilled chicken sandwich and pumpkin soup, please.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. And what would you like to have for the main course, Sarah?
I want to get pasta with tomato sauce.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, I love pasta.
Can I ask something?
Of course.
Is the chicken sandwich spicy?
No, it is not very spicy.
Oh, good. I don't like very spicy food.
No problem. Okay, please wait a moment. I will be right back. Here is your order, sir.
Oh, is there something wrong? I didn't order this.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me check again. We are very sorry. We delivered the wrong table.
Okay, no problem. Could you bring me grilled chicken sandwich and pumpkin soup, please?
Certainly, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, and I'm sorry again.
That was a polite way to talk about a mistake.
Yes. Instead of saying, you made a mistake, you can politely say, I think there is a small mistake.
Ah, that sounds much more polite.
Exactly.
Sarah, the food was delicious.
Yes, it was lovely.
Yes, the grilled chicken sandwich and pumpkin was really good.
And I enjoyed my delicious pasta.
Are you ready for dessert?
Of course. Why not? I really like desserts.
Dessert is sweet food that you usually eat at the end of a meal. Excuse me.
May I help you, sir?
We would like something for dessert.
What would you like for dessert, sir?
1 slice of chocolate cake, please.
And 1 vanilla ice cream, please. As the waiter, no problem. I'll bring them right away.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dessert is coming.
You sound like a child.
I don't care. I love chocolate cake.
Me too.
Wow, this cake is amazing.
The ice cream is delicious. The waiter will ask, how was your meal?
That was a great meal?
Yes, I really enjoyed it. A waiter will say, is there anything else I can help with?
No, just bring the bill, please. You can also say, could we have the bill, please?
All right, sir. The bill is $45.
That's reasonable. How can we pay?
You can pay by cash or card.
Great. We will pay by card, please.
Of course, sir, you can.
Can I pay here?
Yes, you can.
Great. Here is my card.
Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great evening.
You too.
Yes, that was a complete restaurant conversation.
Now, let's do a quick review.
Great idea. First phrase, we would like a table for 2, please.
Use this when you need a table for 2 people.
Could we have the menu, please?
Use this when you want the menu.
Can I have a lemonade, please?
Use this when ordering a drink.
For the starter, I would like tomato soup.
For the main course, I would like a cheeseburger.
Could we have some water, please?
Would you like anything else?
That is something the waiter may ask you.
And you can answer, no, that's all, thank you.
Could we have the bill, please?
Use this when you are ready to pay.
And if you want to pay by card?
Can we pay by card?
Excellent.
Now, here's a tip for beginners.
Don't try to speak perfect English.
Start with short sentences.
Practice useful phrases again and again.
Start with simple sentences and practice them again and again.
And if you make a mistake, don't be afraid.
Exactly. Mistakes are a normal part of learning English.
You can practice in front of a mirror, with a friend, or even by yourself.
And try to use these restaurant phrases in your daily English practice.
Now we have a question for you.
Imagine you were at a restaurant. What food would you order?
Write your answer in the comments using English.
And try to say your answer out loud too.
Great job today.
Thank you so much for listening to our podcast.
If this episode was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Speak English with Laksh Kumar, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Keep practicing keep learning, and keep speaking English.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.